Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with prompt box. We have already covered alert box and confirm box video. You can also check that. Now we start with the last proper box, that is prompt box. Prompt box is often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. Before entering to any page, if you want that user should enter any value, then this prompt box is used. When prompt box is popped up, this box will have one text box and two button. One is OK button and second is cancel button. When user entered any input value in a text box, after that it can press either OK button or a cancel button. If user clicked on the OK button, the box will return the input value, and if the user will click on cancel button, it will return the null value. Now the syntax for writing the prompt box is windows.prompt, where Windows is totally optional because prompt is a method of Windows object. So the way we are writing is windows.prompt, but because when you write just only prompt, it will automatically inherit windows.prompt. When we are actually writing the program, we are just only write prompt keyword. Now this prompt will have a two argument. This prompt method will have a two argument. First is your message that is going to be displayed, right, and second one is the default text that is going to be displayed in your text box. Now we will see how to write the prompt box code and how actually it will look like. We will use Notepad++. Now we are going to save the file with name prompt. We are going to select the file hypertext markup language, and we are going to save the file. Now first is basic structure we are going to create, HTML closed. Inside that we are going to create a head section. After that we will have a body section. Now inside the body section we will have one paragraph saying that click on following button to see the result, and we are going to close the paragraph tag. Now inside, after that we are going to create the button. Button is a form element, so I'm going to use a form tag. Inside the form tag I'm going to use input type is equal to text, button value is equal to click me. Now on click event of this button I'm going to create one function. I'm going to write a code that will create a pop-up box, that is prompt pop-up box. So I'm going to create one function, say get value, right? Now inside the head text we are going to write a title tag, prompt box. We are going to close the title tag. We are going to add a script tag. Type is equal to text oblique JavaScript. We are going to close the script tag. Now inside the script tag we are going to implement the function that we have written. The name of the function is get value Now inside this function I am going to create one variable ret value is equal to, now we are going to write a prompt keyword that we are going to use to create the prompt dialog box. Inside that we are having two arguments. First is the message that you want to display on your prompt dialog box. So here I am going to write message enter your name. In second argument I will keep it blank. I'm not going to enter anything, then text box will be blank. If you want the default value to be displayed in a text box, at that time you can write over here. You can override this value. Now this, as I told you, when you click on OK button, it will return what the value you have entered in a text box. If you will click on the cancel button, then it will return a null. So first we are going to check if ret value equal to null, then we are going to write we are going to print the message using document.write enter your name, okay, semicolon. Else part we are going to display the message document dot write you have entered, plus sign is used to concat the value, and value is in variable, return value. Okay, we are going to save this code and we are going to execute the code. Run launch in Chrome. Now you will see, click on the following button to see the result. When I click on this button, you will see the prompt box will be appeared with the message enter your name. That is the message that we have written in the first argument of your prompt box. Now here I am going to enter the name ABC. I'm going to click on OK button. If I'm going to click on OK button, it will return the value what I have entered in the text box. So the message is you have entered ABC. Again I'm going to reload the same page and I'm going to click on the button. Now this time I'm going to click on cancel button. Now when I click on cancel button, it will display the message enter your name, right? So in this way the prompt will work. If you click on OK button, it will return the value that you have entered in a text box. If you click on the cancel button, it will return null. So every time you have to check for the null condition, right? Thank you for watching the video.